So I'm going to go on the pen tool and I'm going to click on Smart, and I'm just going to make a selection around the balloon. And then I'm going to click to selection at the bottom, and I'm going to invert the selection. And then I'm going to add a mask layer, and then click deselect. And then using this picture of some clouds, I'm just going to put it behind the picture of the girl so it shows through the balloon. And I'm just going to resize it. And then on the filter studio, I'm going to click on distortions and then click on mesh warp. And this is just going to help make the sky look round. And then I'm going to click apply at the bottom. And then add in a pixel layer, and then on the paintbrush tool I'm going to put the colour on black, and I'm just going to paint underneath a hand to create a shadow. And I'm going to change the blend mode to soft light. And I'm going to do the same again. And then I'm going to bring the opacity down and change that to multiply. And then adding a pixel layer, I'm just going to colour select the clouds in the sky. And then I'm going to change the brush to a cloud brush, and I'm just going to paint some clouds on the picture so it looks like it's coming out of the sky. I'm then going to put all those clouds into a group. And then I'm going to add another pixel layer and just do the same again, but I'm going to change the cloud to a different one. And then I'm just bringing in this PNG picture of birds and I'm just going to resize them and flip them around. And then I'm going to click on that group of clouds that we first made, and then clicking on outer shadow, I'm just going to turn that on, and I'm going to bring the radius up and the offset. And this is just going to give some shadow under the clouds. And we're going to do the same with the other one, so I'm just going to put all them in a group and do the same. Just click outer shadow, bring the radius up, offset and opacity up. And I'm going to do the same with the birds as well. And now I'm just going to put some shadow under the girl's face. So I've just added another pixel layer, and with the blend mode on multiply, I'm just going to paint around the edge of her face.